Okay, this question asked in 2018 for EC students. Consider the following amplitude modulated signal. S of t equal to cos 2000 pi t plus 4 cos 2400 pi t plus cos 2800 pi t. The ratio of the power of the message signal to the power of the carrier signal is. It's a numerical data type question. This question is actually an analog communication question. A question from analog communications, but more or less this question has a majority role from signals and systems. That's why I included this question here. So first of all, you have to know that the given signal is it is already stated that the given signal is an amplitude modulated signal, and you know the general form of an amplitude modulated signal, which is equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus mu AC by 2 cos 2 pi into fc plus fm into t plus mu AC by 2 cos 2 pi into fc minus fm into t. And you will be very well knowing that this is the carrier signal. This is the amplitude of the carrier signal. This is the frequency of the carrier signal. Then mu AC by 2. Mu is the modulation index. Mu is also given by AM by AC, where AM is the amplitude of the message signal, AC is the amplitude of the carrier signal. Then FC plus FM indicates the upper sideband of the modulation spectrum, and FC minus FM is the lower sideband of the modulation spectrum. You know all of this. Okay, so this is the portion where analog communication comes to play, and now signals and systems takes part. Okay. So the question is to find out the power of the message signal divided by power of the carrier signal. Okay, so here, what is the power of a sinusoid? Actually, all these are sinusoidal components, right? There are three components, three terms. All three are sinusoidal terms. So what is the power of sinusoidal term? That is equal to if the signal is v of t equal to vm sine omega m plus omega m t, then power is equal to vm square by 2. You don't have to derive anything, you just take it as a capsule, and remember p equal to vm square by 2, amplitude square by 2, that is the power. So here, what is the power of the message signal? I can write power of the message signal will be equal to am square by 2, where am is the amplitude of the message signal, but we don't know am. Let it be there. Now, what is the power of the carrier signal? Power of the carrier signal is equal to AC square by 2, right? AC square by 2, where AC is the amplitude of the carrier signal. Now, from the question, S of t is given as, I'm writing 4 cos 2400 pi t first, then cos 2800 pi t as the next term, and then cos 2000 pi t as the third term, so that you can clearly know that this is FC, right? 2400 is FC, 2800 is higher than FC, that is FC plus FM, where FM should be 400 radian per second, radian per second, and 2000 is FC minus FM, right? If FC equal to, my assumption is FC equal to actually 2000, not 2400, it is actually 2 pi ft form, so 1200 will be the value. 1200 is FC, then FC plus FM is 1200 plus 200 is 1400. That's why here 2800 comes, 2 pi ft comes, right? And here FC minus FM means 1200 minus 200 is 1000, so 2000 comes. Okay, so our assumption is correct. So if this is the carrier term, right, if this is the carrier term, then 4 should be AC. Okay, 4 should be AC when compared to this term. 4 should be AC. Then when comparing this term with this term, because this is USB, right? This is FC plus FM, this is FC plus FM. So comparing that term, you can write that mu AC by 2 equal to 1. This coefficient of cosine term is here 1. So mu AC by 2 is 1, and in the meantime AC equal to 4. That implies mu into 4 by 2 equal to 1. That will give you a mu equal to 1 by 2. Mu equal to 1 by 2. Right. Now what we are trying to get is AM square by 2 and AC square by 2. Okay. So what information will this result will give you? That will give you mu equal to AM by AC. Okay. We need to get AM. Right. So AC is already known. Mu is already known. That implies AM equal to mu into AC. That is 1 by 2 into 4 equal to 2. So AM equal to 2. Now what we are asked to find out is the ratio of the power of message signal to power of carrier signal. So P message to P carrier is equal to P message is AM square by 2 divided by AC square by 2 equal to AM square by AC square. AM is equal to 2, so 2 square equal to 4 divided by AC is equal to 4. So AC square is 16, that is 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.25. So the correct answer for this question is 0.25.